So now we can create threads. But how do we fetch a particular thread? We want to be able to fetch a thread by its ID. So we create a new query. Which we'll call thread, and it will accept the ID of the thread, and it will return a thread. We don't want it to be required because we want to throw an error in case a thread with the provided ID does not exist. So, query thread then we get the ID from the argument and the models from the context. Then we'll find by the primary key, which is the ID. Then we'll need to make this an async function. If a thread is not found, we throw an error. Apollo error with the message no thread found. Let's put this in. But if the thread exists, we simply return the thread. Let's try this out. Let's copy this ID. And we want to return the ID, the title, and the slug. What if we want to return the creator of the thread and the channel the thread belongs to? Say creator, the username, and the channel name. If we run this query, we will get an error. As you can see, cannot return null for a non-nullable field, thread.creator. Same thing is applicable to the channel field. So why is this so? To understand this, let's take a look at the type definition. We defined both the creator field and the channel field to return an object type, which is user and channel respectively. Since these are not scalar type, which GraphQL will resolve under the hood automatically, so we need to resolve these fields ourselves. So in the thread resolver, we'll create a new object called thread. Then inside the object, we'll define how we want to resolve those fields. We start with the creator field. This accepts the same argument as the regular resolver, but in this case, we need only the parent argument, which will be the thread. So we can rename this as thread. Then return thread.getUser. We are calling the getUser magic method on the thread model, which is made available to us by SQLize because of the relationship we defined between the thread and the user. So if we save this and retry this, now the error has changed to cannot return null for a non-nullable field, thread.channel. So we need to do the same thing for the channel field. Again, this will be the parent or thread. Return thread.getChannel. Again, getChannel is made available to us by SQLize because of the relationship we defined between a thread and a channel. So let's rerun this. Now we get the user that created the thread and the channel the thread belongs to.